Manipur Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya today visited Churachandpur district. During his visit, the newly appointed governor visited relief camp at Kuki Christian Church and interacted with internally displaced persons, in which IDPs expressed their desire to return to their original homes. Governor Acharya also gave assurance to see that peace returns soon in the state and also inform about the steps taken up by government in this regard. Later, the governor interacted with leaders of Zomi Council, Zomi Students Federation, ZSF, Kuki Inpi and Mar Inpui at Churachandpur DC office. During the interaction, leaders of this organization informed the governor about the problems faced by students community and also appealed the governor to play a major role in the process of granting a separate administration for Kuki-Zo communities. Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya also interacted with students of Churachandpur Medical College, and the students apprised the governor about their problems, which include inability to write semester examination, lack of staffs and faculty. Earlier, upon his arrival, Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya launched the Har Ghar Tiranga bike rally at premises of Churachandpur district office and also administered Har Ghar Tiranga pledge.
जीवन में सब कुछ रहने पर भी अगर पीस नहीं है तो सब कुछ बेकार है। इस नाते हमें पीस चाहिए, शांति चाहिए, शांति से जीने का रास्ता चाहिए। उस दिशा में हम निश्चित रूप से आपने जितनी बातें कही है हम सुन लिए, सुन करके आगे इस दिशा में जो भी प्रयत्न हो सकता है हम भी करेंगे। आपकी पहले जो प्रारंभिक कठिनाइयाँ हैं पहले वो दूर हों, अपने परिवार को, अपने उनकी शिक्षा की, उनके जो बुनियादी ज़रूरतें हैं उनको कैसे पूरा करें, वो आ जाएगा तो हमें सब आ जाएगा। तो हमारी जो बुनियादी ज़रूरतें हैं उन बुनियादी ज़रूरतों को पहले पूरा करने के लिए हमें प्रयत्न करना होगा और इसके लिए कोई एक नहीं करेगा, हम सब लोग मिल करके